Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Orchid Island Capital, or ticker ORC. I've talked about this one on the channel here a couple times in the past, and it's been one of my highest viewed videos, and I was just thinking about it, so time for an update. So again, Orchid Island Capital, ticker ORC. You can see what it's done here over the last year. So not great, but it's a high dividend paying stock, so you can see it's just kind of up and down all over the place. 5 on up to the 617, and then dropped off there back on let's call it 420, and slowly went back up, and now it's been going back down. So and here's a look over the last 3 months. So down about 4%. In the last month, down 6.47%, and again down in the last week, and here's what it looks like today. So as you can see, I have 63 shares here in Robinhood. I'd like to get that a little bit lower, but I haven't bought any of it recently, so might need to buy some more of it just to lower my cost basis. Maybe down in this $4.95 range would be a good range to buy this one. As you can see, I've been getting dividends on this one, so that's one thing that I like about this one. I've had this one for a while. If you don't know what this one is, it engages in investing of residential mortgage-backed securities. Portfolio consists of traditional pass-through agency and structured agency RMBS. The traditional pass-through agency include mortgage pass-through certificates and collateralized mortgage obligations. Found in 2010, 3.78 million average volume, so not a lot of volume on this one, and a $604 million market cap. And this is kind of unreal on the dividend. Like I said, I've been into this one for a while. I was just looking for some high-paying, high-yielding dividend stocks, and this is one of them. And just listened to a couple guys talk about this one, started researching it, and got some shares of it. So, and again, I've been increasing them. I have some more in a retirement, and I just have that set up on drip where the dividends automatically reinvest and buy new shares. So here's a look at the last earnings. As you can see, didn't do as well as what it should have here in the last quarter. Looks like it beat there, and so this one's just been kind of all over the place here. But here's a look at some of my history on the dividend. So it pays 6.5 cents per share, so that's how I come up with the $4.10, and this is a monthly payer. So you can do the math. If you had a 100 shares, that'd be $6.50, so that would pretty much buy you another share per month, and then that would just keep building and snowballing from there. So but again, I haven't bought any more of this one in a while. I probably should, I just haven't. So, and we can take a look when I last bought into mine. But as you can see, every month gets $4.10. Looks like from October to November of last year, it went up a little bit. So went from, that's just saying 6.5, but there I see I bought 3 more shares, so it's paying the same, but just got a couple more shares. Here's where I bought some, but it looks like it was canceled, or tried to buy some, I should say, back in October. It looks like it was below the $5 range, $4.92. 493, so, and there's where you bought 3 more at $5.04. So, but as you can see, the more shares you have on this one, the more it keeps snowballing. And if you had it set up on drip, eventually you'd buy another share per month, and then that just keeps building from there. So Orchid Island Capital moved down. Why it's important, and this is dated on the 13th. The stock went on a downward path at fall over 0.00 on Monday, amounting to a one-week price increase of more than 2.33%. The company's report on June 16, 2021, that ORC announces June 2021 monthly dividend and May 31st, 2021 RMBS portfolio characteristics. Over the last 12 months, ORC stock rose 18.96%. The one-year Orchid Island Capital stock forecast points to a potential downside of minus 0.38. The average equity rating for ORC stock is currently 2.50, trading closer to a bullish pattern in the stock market. Market cap for the stock reached 477.73 million, with 107.41 million shares outstanding and 94.11 million shares in the current float. Compared to the average trading volume of 3.49 million shares, ORC stock reached a trading volume in the most recent trading, which is why market watchdogs consider the stock to be active. Based on careful and fact-backed analysis by Wall Street experts, the current consensus on the target price of ORC shares is $5.25 per share. Analysis on target price and performance of stocks is usually carefully studied by market experts, and Wall Street consensus on ORC stock is recommended set at 2.50. So the rating represents a strong buy recommendation on the scale from 1 to 5, where 5 would mean a strong sell, 4 represents a sell, 3 is a hold, 2 indicates a buy. So anytime I can get this one for $4.90 to that $5 range, I might pick up a couple more shares. We'll just have to wait and see, because I like the amount of the dividend it pays out. So when will Orchid Island Capital be a good investment? And this is just dated actually a week ago, so still some good information in here. It talks about the shares change. The company's beta touched 1.29. Most recently, share price of $5.09 changed hands of minus 0.18, or 3.42% at the last look. The market valuation stands at $477.73 million, and a current discount trading at minus 22.2% off of its 52-week high of 622. Share price at a 52-week low of 434, which suggests the last value was 14.73% when up since then. We look at Orchid Island Capital average trading volume. We note the 3-month average coming to 3.49 million. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Orchid Island Capital to announce second quarter 2021 results. The Real Estate Investment Trust today announced that it will release results to the second quarter of 2021 following the close of the trading on New York Stock Exchange on Thursday, July 29, 2021. The earnings conference call will be hosted on Friday, the 30th at 10 a.m. Eastern. There's the phone number, and this goes over a little bit more about Orchid Island Capital. Specialty finance company that invests on the leverage base in industry or agency. Our investment strategy focuses on, and our portfolio consists of 2 strategies of agency. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Here's also some contact information as well as their website. Over here to Reddit, and exactly 14% yield, which is actually showing more than that right now. How are they still in business? I question that myself. That's kind of the reason why I haven't picked up any more shares. I didn't want to get too deep into this one until they prove themselves to me, but they continue to keep paying the dividend. So, and nothing here on tip ranks. But if you have Orchid Island ORC, go ahead and leave that in the comments, along with your cost basis and how many shares you have, and any other favorite REITs that you might have, or any other dividend plays that you might have might be interesting as well. And again, if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. We hit 1,000 subscribers, but I'm trying to take it to the next level, so we'll see where the next stop is. So again, go ahead and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop, and smash the like button, drop a comment, as always are appreciated, and thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.